A pot, come on. Xiaolong comes and loses. Cover the pot, waiting to come out. Come on, dear, it's time to forage. One first. Crab opens up. Oops, is there another sea rabbit? Wow, that's a lot of them. Look at this. This sea rabbit is so beautiful, look here. Wait for him to ask him to bloom. Whoa, whoa, look ahead. Are there any good products ahead? Bring me a pippy shrimp. Pippy shrimp, come on. Oh, this conch fish will do too? If the little conch doesn't eat it. I don't want to eat small conch. A little Jinchang comes to the oil throat. This thing works. This thing works. Oh no. It's going to flop. You can have the last one. Go here. Oops, this water. Does this sailor feel the same? Here's pippy shrimp. Pippy shrimp. Ouch, is this octopus okay too? This octopus is a big fish. Pay attention to my big head. Hey, the head said he has 8 heads. Come next. Oops, hey, this. Wow, here's a little yellow croaker. A small yellow croaker is a good thing. Come on, one. Is this pippy shrimp flying too? Get one. This is a stonefish, see? Forget the stonefish. Stonefish don't like to eat it anymore. Stonefish do not eat. Oh, dear. Find a fresh bite to eat. Hey, here. One fresh bite. Hey, can I have something rare? Hairtail? The treatment is still moving. And breath. And grabbed on. Ah, the front. Oops, is this product in front, okay? Little flower head. Little flower head, be angry. Oops, this is not angry, this yellow flower. This yellow flower. Come on, it's simple and fast ahead. It's in the pot, come on. Xiaolong comes and loses. Cover the pot, waiting to come out. Let's start with an octopus first. See if there's any yellow or foam. Take a bite. Okay. Yellow and foaming. Oops, it's white. Xiaolong, take a bite. Are you busy drinking a few? Okay. Oh, mom. Ouch, yo. Yo, this little high. It means there's too much sand. I can't cook this hairtail well every time. As soon as it cooks, he will spread out. Too detailed. The hairtail is too thin. But the meat is so good. Pippy shrimp. Oh dear. Oh. Fresh bite. Oops, so the hair towel. Kitten fish. Wow, this fish is delicate. Have a bite. Oops, this little yellow croaker is steamed. It feels very delicate every time I eat it. Another Yinchang fish. Yinchang fish can also be used. The meat of Ningchang fish is also relatively fine, but the meat of him and a small yellow croaker, still different. Pippy shrimp. Little pippy. Just bite and roll out the meat. Whoops, this feeling of eating meat is good. Hey, this crab. Designated fat. It's time to get fat. Oops. This little cake has a bite. Just bite it and chew out the meat. So fat. Fragrant mouth. Fragrant crispy. Bench.